Okay, here it goes. A gray alien took me to a spaceship, took my clothes off, probed me in the ass. He probed me in the ass. I can't believe what was going on at that. This damn thing took away my dignity and my innocence. I know you guys don't believe, but that's why I'm disguising my voice. So nobody really can identify me. Because if they really found out who I really was, I could just see how people would make fun of me because an alien probed my ass. And while this alien was probing my ass, out of the corner of my eye, I could see another gray alien. And he was laughing at me. And I thought, you son of a bitch, you're laughing at me while I'm getting probed in the ass. At that point, I wanted out of there. I didn't want to be there anymore. And then the next thing you know, I saw this thing come up really close to me. And I could smell something really bad. I mean, it was horrible. And I thought it was the alien's breath. I thought he was breathing on me. But it turned out to be his ass. His ass was on my face, while the other alien was poking me in the ass. Like, oh my god, I'm like, I can't believe this is happening to me. I can't believe this is happening. I'm sorry, I can't do this right now.